Hi everyone, my name is Liam. Welcome to Ubuntu 2025. We're getting into our third generation now, our third year of the Ubuntu Proteomics Summer School. And this year it's in Ballito. We're all dying slightly from the humidity, but it's great to visit different parts of South Africa and really get to the opportunity to show the rest of the world what South Africa has and to bring that amazing proteomics experience here and get our local students and African researchers exposed to what these new trends, technologies and ideas are, build those networks to help them grow and connect and explore.
It's lovely that the Ubuntu school is here in Ballito because I have never been to Durban, so just being able to be part of a school that travels is also quite exciting in itself.
What is important to the ACGT is to train as many African scientists as possible, specifically in the omics technologies. And proteomics is one of the niche areas that we feel requires more capacity building.
The Ubuntu Summer School is absolutely unique in the way that it has been set up, and the fact that you've managed to bring in all the best experts in the field to come here and interact with the local students. And yeah, of course, the whole setting and the location is absolutely fantastic.
My favorite part of summer school has been meeting the experts and everyone else in this field of science. I think it's quite interesting to see people use the same tools that I use, but for different reasons.
Other workshops and trainings don't allow you to have that one-on-one time with facilitators, so it's been great because there you can be able to pick up mentors as well, you know, people that you look up to on the same journey who will be able to help you and guide you in your career path.